Good day, everyone. So, my topic is about risk management framework, leadership, integration, and continual improvement. First, what is risk management framework? Definition and purpose. A risk management framework or RMF is a structured approach to identifying, assessing, and managing potential threats to your organization. Think of it as a blueprint for navigating uncertainty. It provides a consistent process to help you understand and address risk, ensuring you're not just reacting to problems, but proactively building resilience. So, a risk management framework, or RMF, is like a guide or plan that helps an organization deal with possible problems. Instead of waiting for something bad to happen, it also helps spot threats early, understand them, and decide what to do about them. An effective RMF helps organizations of all sizes make informed decisions, allocate resources wisely, and ultimately achieve their strategic objectives. It's not just about avoiding negative outcomes, but it's about seizing opportunities and creating a more stable and successful future. So it's not only about avoiding losses, but it also helps the organization use its resources better, make smarter decisions, and even find new opportunities. The, that in short, an RMF is like a roadmap to stay safe, preferred, and successful. Next is what is the ISO 31000 Risk Management Framework. But let us know first what is the ISO 31000. So it is an international standard for risk management. This is gives organizations guidelines on how to identify, assess, and handle risk. Think of ISO 31000 as a universal guidebook. Oh, it's like a guidebook that shows the best way to deal with risks so that organizations can be more stable and prepared for the future. So, what is the ISO 31000 Risk Management Framework? It describes how to manage and control the risk management process. The success of risk management depends on how well it is managed and controlled. So, it is basically a step by step guide for organization to make sure risk management is done properly and actually works. So there are elements of the framework and it can be detailed as follows. So first, as the leadership and commitment are at the center of the framework, top management needs to be engaged and supportive, which is critical for risk management. This can be demonstrated by um, issuing and communicating a risk management policy or making a clear risk policy, allocating financial resources to risk management, or providing money and resources, assigning rules and responsibilities at appropriate organizational levels, monitoring risks and results of risk management activities systematically, and being accountable for managing risk. So ang leadership and commitment is the bosses or the top management that must support risk management. So kibali ang leadership and commitment, it is on the center part of the framework. Next is the integration is about ensuring all risk management activities are embedded in the company's daily operations and key activities. When this integration is achieved properly, risk management becomes a natural part of the job, not an additional thing to do. So integration, dapat risk management should be part of everyday work, not just an extra task. It should fit into all important activities of the organization. So third is the design, refers to understanding the organizational context and articulating with top management to structure how the step of risk management process and the necessary components will relate to each other. So, and design, it is how we plan our how risk management will work in the organization. This includes understanding the company situation and setting up a structure for how risk will be handled. So forth as implementation refers to the deployment of documents, example, policies and procedures, technologies and other resources so the design risk management processes can work. At the implementation phase, the company should develop a risk management plan. The plan should detail the specific actions to be taken and their sequence, including time and resources, and define who will make the decisions. So, implementation, it is where our we put the plan into action. It means uh, about creating policies, using tools, assigning people, and making a risk management plan with clear steps, timelines, and responsibilities. Fifth as evaluation. So when considering evaluation now, the effectiveness of the risk management process and activities are measured and periodically reviewed. The significant issues identified during evaluation should be reported to those who are accountable, where the last element of the risk management framework is applied. So, in evaluation, it is where we regularly check if risk management is working well. If problems are found, report them to those in charge. Last one is the improvement or the continual improvement. Based on the results of the evaluation now, the organization will be able to see their progress and gaps and make decisions for improvement. Other triggers for improvement besides evaluation include availability of new knowledge as well as significant changes to the organization's internal and external context. So an improvement, it is where we use what we learn from the evaluation and from new changes or knowledge and to make and also it is where we make the risk management better over time. So in short, these six first ang letters support it, integrate it into daily work, design the system, and implement it, check if it works, and then improve it. This is all my part. Thank you.